Hey yo, what's up guys? I know I haven't done a video for a while, but today I'll be picking up some Seramas um hatching eggs at the post office. So I'm gonna try to hatch them. So hopefully I get some successful with it. So once I get there, I'll show you guys. Alright. So I just got here at the post office. I'm about to walk inside. I got a call this morning around 9 a.m. saying that my eggs are here. It was supposed to be here yesterday. That's one thing that I'm worried about. Hopefully, hopefully the eggs are okay because it's been 3 days since they shipped it out, and it was supposed to be here yesterday. So yeah, man. I'm pretty excited, but at the same time, kind of sucks how everything works. So once I get it, I'll let you guys see it.
Tisha, don't do it. They're here. But I didn't. See, they have all this fun stuff here. How does that change?
All right, guys. So I just got my eggs. Yeah, I was kind of worried. I was like, oh, what the hell did they do to my eggs? But turned out the other employee, she put it somewhere else. So yeah, got my eggs. I'm gonna let it sit for 24 hours, and then I'm gonna start hatching them. So once I get home, I'm gonna wrap them, and then I'll show you guys the eggs. Alright guys, I just want to show you guys something before I show you guys my eggs. Hatching eggs. These are some buff Warburton chickens, or chicks. They're about 2 weeks, about to be 3. This little girl is about a week old, but the rest is about 2.5 weeks. So they are my egg layers. So can't wait for them to grow up. Got 5 of them, so should be interesting. Alright guys, if you guys could see here, they packed it pretty good. All these paper. Um, might be a little mess. So I'm gonna see if I can find anything. Let's see here. Just don't want to make a mess. I don't want to clean it. So if I did find something. Eggs. Wow! Eggs are here. So alright guys, the seller did pretty good at packaging it. Nothing cracked. I was supposed to get 10, but they give me an extra, so that's really good. So hopefully I have high hatching rate from shipping eggs. I know that you don't really get that much good luck because it's ship eggs and anything could happen during shipping. But I'm super stoked and excited to hatch these eggs. And oh yeah, one thing I do want to let you guys know in case you guys want some ship eggs or how to handle it. So once you take it out from the bubble wrap, you put the pointy side, not sure if you guys can see it correctly, but pointy side down and just put it like that. So let it sit for 24 hours, and after that just put it in the incubator. So yeah, I will update you guys how it goes, but hopefully I have some successful hatching rate, and I'm looking forward to it. So catch you guys on the next one.